Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and power. Backup contacts and call logs, then open settings and go to Safety and Emergency to reach emergency contacts. Once there, tap the Emergency Contacts section to reveal numbers assigned to quick call actions. This is where 112 might appear. Make sure Bluetooth or other apps aren't adding contacts automatically. Disable syncing briefly if needed. This prevents accidental re-addition while you remove the number. Now focus on the listed entry. Find the contact displaying 112 and tap to open its options. You'll see Edit, Remove, or a trash icon. Select Remove and Confirm when prompted. This deletes the emergency shortcut. Once done, wait for the interface to update and check that the label no longer shows 112. If the option is grayed out, make sure you have Device Admin or Special Permissions disabled for that contact app, then try again. To complete the process, restart your phone so the setting fully applies across services. After reboot, reopen Safety and Emergency to verify the number 112 is removed. If it still appears, go to Apps, show System Apps Emergency button app and clear its cache and data, then recheck. If problems continue, reset safety settings from the same menu rather than a factory reset. This preserves your data while restoring emergency configuration defaults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.